For today's video, I am going to the Metro Parks, my go-to place, and I'm gonna walk around and interview some random people and just ask them some pretty intense, good life questions, just about, you know, whatever. Gonna ask them questions about the Browns, a little bit of everything, just see a little feel, see what's going on in the Metro Parks. Haven't been there in a while, and kind of miss it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.
So secure, and every day is such a perfect day to spend along with you. I will follow you, will you follow me? All the days and nights that we know will be, I will stay with you, will you stay with me? Just one single cheer in each passing year. With the dark, oh, I see so very clearly now. All my fears are drifting by me so slowly now, fading away. I can say is long, but you are here, close at hand. Oh, I'm better for the smile you give, and while I live, I will follow you. Will you follow me?
Has one speed.
Just fast.
Yeah.
Hey, Char. Hey, bud.
He'll sit.
Oh my God.
He's
Hey,
five.
buddy. Oh my God, 5. He's so young. Hey, buddy.
And his crooked teeth.
What's going on, YouTube? It's B-Fred. We are live at the Metro Parks, my go-to, and I'm here with Kathy. So I literally just met her. I want to do like little nature interview talks today. Just some interesting questions, honestly. Kathy, I just wanted to know, what is your biggest fear in life?
This is so, like, cliche, but just like not doing what I want to do when I'm going to do it.
What do you want to do?
Just waiting.
Waiting.
Yeah.
What is it that you want to do?
I mean, I have a great career. I want to keep up with that.
What is your career?
I'm an attorney.
You're an attorney? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Yeah, right?
I might play it in a movie, so I might come here for a role, like if I need information.
Yeah.
So just waiting and not really.
Yeah, just jump in and do it. You know?
Just like living life to the fullest.
Yeah,
I
and
think.
it's like so cliche, but.
But it's true. Cliches are just real, though. That's what makes a cliche.
Yeah,
exactly. It's a cliche for a reason.
Yep.
What would be your biggest regret in life?
Oh God. Honestly, I don't think I have any regrets.
No regret. There's got not even like in middle school,
no,
high
at
school.
the time, when
Not
I made
like-
the decision, it was the right decision.
You know what? I love that you said it because I don't like. I've obviously like in the past, like looking back, like it probably wasn't the best decision, but like at the time, nothing's really a regret. It's just a learning lesson. And if you went back in time and did that same thing over and over, you do the same choice.
Exactly.
So
You can't look back and say do something differently because you don't have that extra knowledge.
Exactly. Yeah, like you do at the moment exactly what you want to do, and that's how I view regret. Is like you can't regret anything because at that moment is exactly what you wanted to do.
Yep.
The only thing I regret nowadays is just choosing food. It's like, do I want McDonald's, Burger King? And I always, the one I go for is the one I wish I didn't get. So,
yeah, those are like low-key regrets.
I'm glad those are my only regrets. Last question.
Okay.
If you could do like anything in the world and not fail at it, like you knew you would be successful, what would it be?
I don't think that has a bearing on what I would do. I would just do it.
You would just do it.
Yeah, and anything I do, I'm gonna be successful one way or another.
I love that.
And this is Charlie.
Charlie, oh my God, hey buddy.
He wants to be on here too.
Charlie, what is your favorite dog food? Pedigree? Pedigree, probably.
I don't know. He likes bananas.
Bananas.
Yeah.
Well, it was a pleasure interviewing. Thank you for participating. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it. Charlie,
Yeah.
you were a great guest.
Yep.
You guys enjoy your walk. Yeah, thank you. All right, guys, I'm here with
Jonathan?
Jonathan and
Joyce.
Joyce. Have you
Yes.
seen Stranger Things?
I have.
Do you know Hopper? Joyce! Drive the car, Joyce! I'm sorry, I had to do it. It's an inside joke. All my friends, when they see this, are gonna laugh so hard. Anyway, thank you so much for participating, guys. I just want to ask you just some questions today. So, what is your biggest life fear?
Mine is like failing people.
Letting people down?
Yeah, specifically like people that I care about, my family and and friends. Yeah,
Keeping that. Yeah.
that's kind of like that would be like the worst thing that could happen.
Because they love you and like they're kind of counting on you to,
Yeah, to,
you know.
to do the right thing, or and like I know that I would want to continue to be with those people. So like
Definitely.
a failure would be like, I have to like, Thanksgiving, it's like I'm gonna see this person, and it's like, and I'm thinking in my head, I let them down, and I'm like, yeah. I think
That's
that
so
would be-
relatable.
Yeah.
I completely, yeah. And for you, Joyce?
I think probably losing people,
Lose
but
like,
not just death. But
oh, like friends, like losing contact with like a
Mm.
best friend or like moving on.
No, I would say not necessarily that, but seeing like I don't know, like dementia. Losing your
yeah,
friends to mental illnesses.
That's
or,
sad, for sure, for sure.
Not know people the way that they used to be.
And I think we've all experienced that at least, a couple times in our lives. This is life.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts right now on the Browns? Come on,
Browns.
lay it on us. Lay it on us.
I don't follow super closely, but it's not great. Like, yeah.
Do you think Freddie Kitchens should still be coaching? Do we think we need to make a change? Do you think Baker's the situation? Like, what's going on?
I don't know. It's hard because growing up in Ohio, it's like you keep on seeing like new coaches and new.
We don't
like,
give anyone time.
Yeah, and I'm like, I just feel like, especially after having so many like switches in a short period of time, like to maybe like not jump
Not yet.
to that quite so soon. But yeah, I mean, it's not. I mean, last season it felt like we're
On the
going
rise.
up,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's why we were so. We
And now
got
it's like-
Odell, like the excitement. It was crazy. Like I literally did a game day vlog actually for the first game at Tailgate. The hype, the excitement, the energy was unreal. And then now it's like, dude, what is happening? Like it's the most depressing scene right now.
yeah.
Joyce, what do you have to say?
I don't do sports.
That doesn't do sports. Doesn't do sports. What's your worst life decision? Putting you on the spot.
It's not getting married soon enough.
Not getting married soon enough. That's
Yeah.
adorable. That's adorable. That's adorable.
She's embarrassed.
Duh.
I don't know.
They're not. What about like what's something like that was really embarrassing? Like
Oh.
we have something. Everyone has something.
Yeah. I don't know. They're like small things. Yeah.
Then let's hear.
Let's
Let's hear a small
I
thing.
don't have anything like.
Nothing major.
Yeah. No. I'm pretty boring.
Pretty
Yeah,
boring.
pretty
Okay, that's
boring.
fine. That's fine.
So,
Better than nothing. Better than nothing, right? Yeah.
I mean, yeah. I don't know.
Hmm.
I promise you, I'm not just like hiding something.
No, yeah.
I don't actually. I actually cannot think of something.
She's honest, guys.
Yeah.
She's honest. That's what more could we ask for, actually. Last question. Let's make this. I don't know. Let's make it spicy. What do you guys think happens after death?
There is life after death, but
Yeah.
it's one of those things where you do like there isn't a certainty. Like,
Yeah. No. There's no.
Yeah.
Everyone
Like-
has their beliefs. Everyone has, you know,
Yeah.
their ideas of religion, reincarnation, God,
Yeah.
whatever. Like, and I'm someone that's like, believe what you want to believe. You know, like I don't judge anyone's viewpoints. I just don't think it's dumb to. Like everyone should have their own values, opinions. So
Yeah, it's tough because it's like when someone says like, I know there is. It's like, well, I think what you mean is like you believe there is, and I do take comfort from that. But it's also like, you know, I can't say to someone that doesn't believe that like, oh, like you're being stupid because that, you know, it's a very personal choice. It's also very tough, and it's like we're talking about this question because we don't know.
Right.
Like, you know, it's like if everyone knew,
then it'd be.
then we wouldn't be.
We would
talking
live
about
life so much differently.
Yeah,
I feel
it's
like yeah.
yeah.
All right, guys, I am here with
Chris and
Nathan.
Chris and Nathan. All right, guys. So again, I'm just walking around meeting random people we literally just met. So I wanted to ask you guys, what is your biggest fear in life?
Heights.
Heights.
my biggest fear right now is that Trump will always be the president.
Oh my God, no comment. So I'm just gonna let that slide. Not a bad fear, but we're just gonna let that go. Who's like your celebrity like crush?
Well, can I admire someone like? Can it just be like someone I admire?
Yeah, that same thing.
All right.
Admire, like who do you look up to, celebrity wise, or anyone really?
Bill Gates.
Bill, dude, you're on. This guy's on fire right now.
He is. That
This
was a
guy,
good
man.
answer. That
Thank
was
you.
a good
Best
answer.
interview so far today, hands
All
down.
right.
And for you, who's like the? There's got to be some Hollywood guy.
Well, I was surprised last night. We watched the Bourne movies, and I thought Matt Damon turned in an excellent performance. I
He's
was
good.
surprised.
Yeah, I mean, he's an A-lister for a reason.
Yeah,
You know, they don't
I
they don't
didn't
get there
really
by
know about
accident.
him. He was good. He was
Yeah.
good in those movies. Yes.
For sure. I actually was watching John Wick before I even came here. Keanu Reeves, oh my God, like he's badass.
I haven't seen it, but I imagine it's good.
Highly recommend. All right, guys. I'm Max.
McKaylee.
And this is, I don't even know. All right, guys, we're gonna start off. What game's better, Fortnite or Call of Duty?
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Oh shit, I'm a Fortnite guy.
Really?
I might have to end this in. Just kidding. What's your biggest fear in life, guys? Putting you on the spot.
Injuring myself to the point where I can't walk anymore, so
That-
paralyzed.
I got sure.
Drowning.
Drowning. Oh my God, this is getting scary right now. Thoughts on the Browns right now?
They're doing good, but they're not gonna make it.
Doing good, bro. We're 2-6. What do you mean we're doing good?
Good for the Browns.
I don't watch
Yeah,
them.
I guess.
I'm a Steelers fan, so
Yeah.
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 Oh my God, this is. Of course. What are the odds? If you guys could do anything in life, what would it be?
Ah, that's a tough one.
Travel to Bora Bora.
Wait,
Bora Bora.
if you could be anything in life,
No,
you.
travel. You said trap.
You said if you could do.
Jeez, If you could, yeah. So you travel to
Bora Bora.
Bora Bora. That would be awesome. And for you, man?
Ah, that's a tough one. I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Nothing? Yeah, come on. There's gotta be something.
No, just be comfortable enough to do what I want to do,
What-
and not work
what-
the rest of my life.
What is it that you want to do? Like
Well-
if you knew you would not fail, like it's guaranteed you'd make it happen. What is it?
I couldn't give you an answer on that, but a good take would be remodeling houses.
Remodeling houses.
Yep,
I got a couple
flipping
friends
houses.
doing that right now. That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Who is your favorite actor and actress?
One of my favorite actors is Will Smith.
Will Smith.
You name it.
What's his favorite? What's your favorite movie of Will's?
Hancock.
Wait, what?
Dude, that's actually an underrated movie. I'm glad you
It
said
is,
that because
yeah.
I do like that movie and like people dog it a little bit. I think it's good.
It is good.
I have no idea.
No idea.
No.
No idea. Okay.
She doesn't like movies as much.
Doesn't
as I
like
do.
unbelievable. All right, guys. Last question, and we're gonna wrap this up. Let's think of something good. What if you could have any superpower in the world? What would it be? And why? Of course.
The ability to heal really fast, like the Wolverine.
Okay.
Just,
So basically, almost like you're immortal.
Yeah.
Kinda live forever.
Exactly.
That's badass.
Yeah.
To fly.
To fly. I knew you would say that. All right, guys, thank you for participating. Appreciate it. Take care. All right, guys, that wraps it up for Nature Talks. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the responses. Tune in for more great videos coming up. I have some awesome ideas and execution coming. I'm very excited about upcoming videos. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, do whatever you want. And if you have any more video suggestions for me, something you want to see, write it in a comment below, and we'll make something happen. So take care.